this Gandhinagar University is only going to work for our students, for the students studying in Gandhinagar University, for the youth being in Gujarat, and hence this exactly is the demonstration of the fundamental rights imparted to the students studying. And I also want you all to please clap for him as much as you can, because this much of support is the only management giving in the whole state. Thank you so much. He only works 24 hours for the staff and the students. He works for the fundamental rights. If you want to celebrate truly what is the fundamental right, this is the man. This is the man. Like saying that no, you have to think about humans. You have to think about students. But I'm very sure you would have got a call yesterday evening and you have taken this courage to be on stage and performing. Opportunity, that's the gender equality also. Today is the right to equality, by the way. Faculties, HODs, to be equal. So I'm very glad. I thank every faculty to be presenting here and respecting and in the hoistment of the Indian flag. Thank you.